So question number third, part B is iterative methods are superior to the elimination method. Write 4 disadvantages of Gauss elimination method and write 3 advantages of Gauss seidel method. So let's solve the question.
So here we are going to discuss the disadvantages of Gauss elimination method. So firstly we have to know about what is Gauss elimination method. In Gauss elimination method we have given set of equation that we are written in a matrix form. Then we convert this matrix into upper triangular form where all the elements below this diagonal are 0, and then by back substitution method we just find the values of all the variables like x1, x2, x3 and x4. So now we will know about the disadvantages of Gauss elimination method. So in this, the computational effort is approx 2n cube upon 3 arithmetic operation in each elimination step. So it is the arithmetic operation which the computer need to calculate in each elimination step. This is the first disadvantages of elimination method. Then second disadvantages is row interchanges is considerable. So for that the amount of bookkeeping is necessary. We can interchange the row, but we just need to keep in mind that the pivot element has to come over the all other the elements. So for that bookkeeping is necessary. Then the third disadvantages is rounding error may become quite large for ill-conditioned equation. So in ill-conditioned equation where the slope of two lines are same, so for that there the rounding error become quite large, and this will give an uh, defective solution for the variables. And fourth disadvantage of Gauss elimination method is any spatial structure in matrix of coefficient is difficult to preserve during elimination. The savings cannot be made in calculation if there are many zero coefficient. It generally means if some of the elements in matrix are given 0 already, like here and here. So by calculating, when we are calculating, we are performing the row operations, then these zeros are be converting into some other variable. So we can't preserve the zeros in Gauss elimination method. So these are the four disadvantages. See about the advantages of Gauss seidel method. So first advantage is computational effort is approximately 2n square arithmetic operation per iteration. So the computer takes about of 2n square arithmetic operation per iteration in Gauss seidel method, which is less than the 2n cube by 3 of Gauss elimination method. So it is the one of the advantages of Gauss seidel method. Second one advantage is small rounding error for ill-conditioned equation. For in Gauss elimination method, the rounding error become quite large, so we can't use that method because of the nature of ill-conditioned equation are parallel in nature. So we can't find the solution in Gauss elimination method. So for ill-conditioned equation we can use Gauss seidel method, which give the correct values of x1, x2, x3 and x4 variables and other variables. And the third advantage of Gauss seidel method is it requires less memory as it updates the variable at a time. So in this, firstly we find all the variables value by putting 0 in equations. Then we find the next approximation value, and we put in the recent values in the finding the x2 variable, and then the recent value of x2 we will put in x3 equation and we will find x3. Then similarly the x3 value, the recent value of x3 we put in the finding x4, and then similarly it goes on and we will find the correct values of all the values variables in less arithmetic operations and in less time, and it will less consume memory. So this will be the advantage of Gauss seidel method.